If you've ever wished your plants would grow faster, look greener, and produce more flowers or vegetables without spending a lot of money on chemical fertilizers, what I'm about to share with you is something you'll want to try right away. It's a natural method that uses simple things from your kitchen and garden to create a powerful liquid fertilizer. Not only does it feed your plants, but it also fills your soil with living microorganisms that keep your garden healthy for a long time. Once you make this, you'll see why gardeners all over the world love it. You won't believe how much of a difference it makes. We start by working with something as common as potatoes. Take about 1 kilogram of potatoes. It doesn't matter if they're small, large, or even slightly old. The key is to break them down so that the starches and sugars locked inside can come out easily. You can smash them with a large stone, a heavy stick, or anything else sturdy you have around. If smashing feels like too much work, you can also boil the potatoes first to soften them. This broken down potato will be the food source that feeds the helpful microbes we want to multiply. Now, take about 10 liters of water. Make sure it's non-chlorinated. Rainwater works best because it's free of chemicals that might harm microorganisms. But if you don't have rainwater, just leave tap water in a bucket overnight to let the chlorine evaporate. Pour the water into a large container. Plastic buckets or tubs work fine, and then add your smashed potatoes into it. Stir well so the potatoes mix evenly into the water. Next comes an important step. Scoop up a few good handfuls of healthy garden soil. You don't need to be exact. What matters is that your soil contains living microorganisms. These tiny life forms are the real stars of this recipe. When we add them to our potato mixture, they will find the sugar-rich environment perfect for growing and multiplying. Add the soil to the bucket and stir again, making sure everything is mixed together properly. Now it's time to add minerals that both the microbes and your plants will love. Grab a few tablespoons of sea salt and sprinkle it into the mixture. Sea salt contains small amounts of essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, sulfur, and potassium, all of which are useful for plant growth. Stir once more to dissolve the salt as best as you can. Once everything is mixed together, loosely cover the container. Don't tighten the lid. We want some air to get in because these microorganisms need oxygen to work well. You can cover the bucket with a loose-fitting lid, a cloth, or even a piece of cardboard with a stone on top. Now, leave the mixture alone. If the weather is warm, you'll notice bubbles start to form on the surface in about 24 hours. These bubbles are a clear sign that the microbes are working hard, multiplying quickly, and releasing gases as they break down the potato sugars. If your weather is cooler, it might take 48 hours instead, but the bubbles will come. Just be patient. Once you see bubbling, your Jadam liquid fertilizer is ready. It's filled with living organisms, organic nutrients, and minerals. Everything your plants need to grow stronger and healthier. Before using it, though, you must dilute it. If you use it too strong, it can overwhelm your plants. Mix 1 part of the liquid fertilizer with 8 to 10 parts of clean water. For example, 1 cup of fertilizer liquid can be mixed with 8 to 10 cups of water. After diluting, you can pour it at the base of your plants or spray it lightly on their leaves. When you use this homemade fertilizer, the first thing it does is improve the life in your soil. The millions of good microbes spread through the soil, helping break down organic material into smaller nutrients that plants can easily absorb. These microbes also protect plant roots by outcompeting harmful fungi and bacteria. You'll see your plants grow stronger roots, produce deeper green leaves, and become more resistant to pests and diseases. The sea salt adds something special too. Those tiny traces of minerals give plants the building blocks they need to grow healthy tissues and produce flowers and fruits. Your plants will be less stressed in hot or dry weather and more able to bounce back from pests and damage. Another thing you'll notice is how your soil changes over time. With regular use of this liquid, your soil will become softer, hold moisture better, and let air reach plant roots more easily. Healthy, living soil is the key to a long-lasting, productive garden. You won't need as many store-bought fertilizers anymore because your soil will naturally feed your plants. The best part is that everything in this fertilizer is cheap and easy to find. Potatoes, soil, water, and sea salt. That's all it takes. You aren't adding chemicals to your garden, so your food will be cleaner and your environment safer. And because it works fast, you'll see results in your plants within a few weeks. They'll be brighter, fuller, and producing more than before. If you make this once, you'll likely make it again and again. Your plants will thank you with bigger harvests and healthier growth. Try it, and you'll see how nature's simple ingredients can give powerful results. And if you're interested in more fertilizers, garden sprays, and helpful gardening tips, make sure you check out our channel.